Students, in this module, we will discuss the characteristics of social action, which is an important method and process of social work profession. Very important characteristic of social work, social action method, which aims to achieve social progress by affecting and by bringing the desirable social change. A social action method is used to bring the positive social change in the society. And it also aims, and it is possible by tailoring the existing social policies and by modification of the social policies according to the needs of the people, and by addressing the problems and issues of all the segments of the society. And this is only possible by the healthy welfare services, by the productive and constructive social welfare services, and the access to these social services which be at optimum level. Social action also attempt to prevent the social maladjustment, illness and disorganization, the disorder of the society, the maladjustment of the groups within the society, and by preventing the disorganization of the social institutions and the malfunctioning of the individuals, and these efforts may lead towards the social change where everybody has the equal access to the resources and to the life opportunities, and this is the only way that the better adjustment and development of the human beings can be made. So these efforts leads towards a better social change. If we talk about the characteristics of social action, it emphasizes on the aim to bring desirable change in current social practices. All the social welfare services and all the social practices which are adopted by the people within the society, it is mandatory to bring change according to the will and wish of the people, according to the need assessment of the people, and the needs which are expressed by the groups and individuals in the community. And it involves a goal accepted as desirable and worthwhile by the social actionists. In the social workers, in the process of social action, whatever as the social work expert and as the social actionist, whatever they feel appropriate by studying the target community, by studying the target client, whatever the goal they set, that is desirable by the expressed needs and feelings of the people, it should be accepted in the process of social action, and the decisions should not be taken in a vacuum and should not be alien from the wills and wishes of the people. Social action aims at influencing the public opinion, because otherwise the intervention of social action won't be possible to be adopted by the social workers. And to influence the public opinion, it is important to use the certain strategies like educating the people by bringing awareness among the people, making the things publicity, the persuasion, or pressurizing the anti-social elements. This is important for the influencing the public opinion, and this is important strategy to bring change by the social actionists, because in a social action method we use the knowledge as a power, and the knowledge can be brought by bringing change in the minds of the people, in the thinking processes of the people. So this is important that the public opinion should be used in the for getting the objective of the social action process. And this is only possible by educating the people, by bringing awareness among the masses, and different strategies can be adopted for this purpose.